I know I don't have a lot of variety in my drinks as of late because I am just stuck on my Hendrick's gin and tonic. It's refreshing and it feels like summer. So I've really started to focus on collecting all of my empties. Ever since I saw Better Off Threads empties video at the first of the year, I was like, God, that's so it's so compelling. I want to know what she's gonna pull out. So ever since then, I'm like, you know what? I am going to start doing empties videos because I do think that empties videos are a really great way to do little mini reviews of products because it lets you know like what I finished and what I thought of it at the end of the day. Really quickly, want to mention if you guys have not subscribed, please ever so kindly click that subscribe button, become a part of the Cate the Great family. Throw this video a like and also hit that notification bell that's right beneath this video. That is going to alert you anytime one of my new videos comes out. So let's get started. I'm just gonna pull blindly from the bag. Starting off with one of my favorite products, a totally essential product in my opinion. This is my hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 from The Ordinary. Basically, I interchange between The Ordinary's hyaluronic acid and the Good Molecules hyaluronic acid serum. I like them both just about the same. The Ordinary's hyaluronic acid, I feel like is just, it's a little tiny bit tacky. Like nothing that drives me crazy, but if I'm splitting hairs, I tend to go with the Good Molecules. But I mean, I'm not gonna throw this out of bed for eating crackers, you know what I mean? Like this is a fantastic product, and would I buy it again? Yeah, I would. Next, I have a little trial size of the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. I think I had 4 of these. So my 4th one of these, I'm done. I can finally dig into the full size. Obviously that kind of says it all right there, right? Like I bought the full size of the product. This is one of my favorite last steps to my skincare routine at night. So this has AHA, watermelon, and hyaluronic acid. So it's kind of this Goldilocks mixture of hydration, but also you're getting a little bit of a chemical exfoliant in there. If you want something that's gentle as far as an AHA, I can't recommend this enough. Also, it just glides on like glass. It absorbs beautifully. I do wake up with baby skin the next day. Oh, look what it is. Okay, guys, I mean, do I even need to say what this is? Okay, I will. For anyone who's new here, this is the Pharmacy Honey Potion Mask. This is, maybe like my 4th full jar of this that I've gone through. This is probably the product that I've repurchased the most as far as skincare is concerned. I feel like I just always need to have it around. I use it 2 to 3 times a week. It really is just the perfect hydrating mask. I feel like I can use it after I've done like a physical exfoliant or a chemical exfoliant. Right here it says hydrating facial mask is blended with honey, propolis, and royal jelly to revitalize and renew the look of dry skin. The other reason I love this product is because you can give yourself like a really nice proper facial massage with it. You can just keep massaging it into your skin when you apply it, and it's just going to warm the product up. So that facial massage is also going to help in promoting circulation in your face, which is going to make your skin look glowier on top of using the mask. I mean, I just feel like this takes care of so many things, right? Like it's kind of like killing like 3 or 4 birds with one stone. This is my favorite mask of all time. I'm just gonna say it. I'm gonna be bold. I'm gonna say it because it's true. I wanted to let you guys know that today is actually the last day that you can get that 10% off on my merch. Please use that code LUCKY, that's LUCKY, at checkout for 10% off of any of my merch. And that sale goes through tonight, which is Sunday, May 17th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You better get that merch. Moving on. This is the Original Mineral Maintain the Mane Shampoo, a daily ritual. This is sort of just like, I don't know what this purchase was. I got it when I was still performing on the ship and all of the water was just like really hard in the showers, and I needed something that I felt like was good for my hair. This is free from sulfates, parabens, triclosan propylene glycol. Okay, great. Gluten-free and PETA approved, cruelty-free. So this is a very, very clean product. I don't really have like a lot to say about this. I mean, it's a good shampoo. The purpose this served was I interchanged it between my purple shampoo because the purple shampoo helps with the brassiness with the blonde. but I can't use that like every single time I wash. So this was sort of like my in-between shampoo, and it was nice. It was nice. It was nice. Wow, that was super helpful, wasn't it? I mean, if you don't know what this is, I don't know what you're doing with your life or your choices, but this is the Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. This is another product that I've repurchased a million times. I don't even really have a preference between the different scents. I love this one. I love the purple one, which is lavender. I love the pink one, which is rose water, I believe. It's just great to have around. They're super inexpensive. A large bottle at Ulta is $12. The mini size is $7. A spritz in the morning, a spritz in the afternoon, a spritz in the evening with a wine spritzer, you know what I'm saying? I use this as skincare. I also use it sometimes to set my makeup if I want a really dewy look. Guys, just go get yourself one of these, all right? My Monsieur Big, and I'm kind of sad because this is like a special edition packaging. I feel like this came out around Valentine's Day. I could be wrong, but I really love it. It's pink sparkles and it speaks to my heart and my soul. I don't know if they still sell this. Regardless, I love my Lancome Monsieur Big. Finally made it through this. I waited until it was dried the hell out and I was like, okay, it's time to hunker down and buy a brand new one at the Sephora sale. So I've already replaced this. You don't know, my favorite thing to do is to use this and then immediately go in with like a spindlier brush. My favorite happens to be the Benefit Roller Lash, and just go in and make sure every lash is defined. But this is like my favorite go-to like fatty ass lashes mascara. Okay, well now I'm not gonna be blind about this because we got followed up with the other mascara I just mentioned, which is indeed my Benefit Roller Lash mascara. You're like, Kate, you really finished those around the same time? Yeah, I did, because I literally used them together every single damn day. But don't you worry, I just opened a brand new one of these the other day. Oh, okay, so this product has been cut in half. As you can see, this is the Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Cream. We got a little desperate over here. We're just trying to get that product out of every nook and cranny. This is actually a product that my boyfriend Randy uses every single day because he has really sensitive skin, and this really helps with like any rosacea, and he has skin like a baby's ass now, I'm just saying. So this really is kind of like a miracle product. So I want to say this is like maybe his 4th tube of this, and he was really digging in there because we were holding out for the Sephora sales. So we made it, we got another tube of it. Everyone calm down, don't alert the media, it's fine. But I've loved this product. There have been a couple times where, you know, maybe I went like a little too hard with a chemical exfoliant and my skin just got like a little bit irritated. Slather this on and it was like gone in a few hours. This, along with the pharmacy honey potion line, I just feel like these products cannot do anything wrong, and in fact they heal things that are wrong with you. So what more do you want? Oh yeah. I actually used the very last bit of this on my brows today before I filmed this video. Like, how fateful is that? I didn't even realize this was going to be an empty, and then I tried to twist it up and there was no more to be twisted. So this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. My particular shade is dark brown. I mean, if you watch my channel, you know I use this in like every single get ready with me, everything I pretty much do. Like, this is my go-to brow pencil. So it's a great fill-in product for your brows. It makes you look like you have hairs where you don't. I also did kind of like a teeny tiny little feathered brow situation where I just like created little fake lines to make it look like I have bushier brows than I do. It's just easy. It's just never failed me. And will I repurchase it? Yeah, I will. Okay, so this is the Ordinary's Squalane Cleanser. It is a squalane-based face cleanser and makeup remover. So this, along with the hyaluronic acid serum, actually, they were gifts that were sent to me by my good friend Raina. I am so impressed with this product. I am going to make a very bold statement and say that it is neck and neck in competition with my Glossier Milky Jelly. So I put this on dry skin, just over makeup before I've wet my face at all, rub it in, give myself a nice little facial massage, then go in with some warm water, and guys, it really does the trick as far as taking makeup off. Now, I do double cleanse. I still double cleanse, but like the first cleanser you go in with matters too. This is such a great gentle cleanser. Squalane is incredibly hydrating, so not only are you, getting your makeup off and all of the impurities out of your skin, you're also not stripping your skin because there's squalane in this. I mean, I think we're just all loudly agreeing that the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask is the shit. It did take a while to get through. I think this was over 6 months this lasted me, which is fantastic, but I was literally using it night and day. I don't use any other lip conditioner, period. I'm done. I'm done with Carmex. I'm done with chapstick. I'm done with anything cheap. I'm done with Burt's Bees. I'm done with all of it because this is the best thing I've ever put on my lips. I don't know if you guys caught my live stream the other night where I swatched my favorite spring and summer lip products, but guys, I did a lot of swatches, a lot. And this is actually the only thing that was getting me through because I would swatch something and then I would wipe it off with a makeup wipe and then I would just go in with this and kind of just let it simmer down. And it saved the day. So anyway, obviously I repurchased it, duh. If this isn't like the saddest looking little twerp of a used product, I don't know what is. This is the Weleda Skin Food. It is the teensiest, tiniest version I think that exists. It is the original ultra rich cream. I picked this up at Whole Foods when, you know, everything started blowing up. This is one of the best things you can buy for yourself at the drugstore. Point blank. It is all purpose. You can use it on your hands, your body, your face. It is one of the most rich moisturizing creams I think I've ever used. Katie Jane Hughes, who I love, she is a fabulous makeup artist and skincare maven based in New York City. This is her go-to. And she's actually the one who inspired me to mix this with lipstick and create a cream blush, which I did the other night on one of my live streams, and I was obsessed. This is what? This is like a 5-in-1 situation. And it gives you just the most gorgeous, like sexy, hydrated sheen to your skin. Okay, I'm done. I'm just saying. Okay, guys, we have one product left in the bag. What's it gonna be? I think I've had one of these in both of my Empties videos I've done. These are the Bausch & Lomb Lumify Eye Drops. Guys, this is one of the first things I reach for in the morning. I wake up, I splash some warm water on my face, put some Tatcha essence on, spritz with facial mist, and then I go in with my Lumify eye drops and I feel like a brand new person. If you don't know the magic of these whiten the whites of your eyes. They also whiten your waterline because that gets really like red for me, you know what I mean? It makes me look not cute, and say it right now. So I use these in the morning and then I'll put in, you know, maybe a drop or two before I film just so that my eyes look extra white for you. You don't want to overuse these, of course. I mean, obviously you want to use them in moderation, but I've never had any issues with these except that my eyeballs are as white as they can possibly be. Guys, what am I gonna cheers today? I can't decide. This was an Empties bag of like a bunch of super duper like holy grail tried and true things, I must say. Wow, this is hard. This is really hard. Okay, well, this is something I've definitely cheers before, but you know what? Sorry, not sorry, because it's that good. And yep, I'm gonna cheers my Pharmacy Honey Potion Mask. Pharmacy Honey Potion Renewing Antioxidant Hydration Mask. Good job. Okay, guys, so that wraps up my Empties mini reviews video. I hope you enjoyed it. I really have a fun time filming these. Really quickly, I want to mention, I don't know if you guys know, but the Fenty Friends and Family 25% off sale is currently going on. I believe it's going on through the 18th. So in honor of that, I used one of my favorite new cream blushes, which is the Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in Crush on Cupid, which is new for me. It is a hot pink shade. I used it on my cheeks as well as my lips, and then I went over that with my Fenty hot pink gloss in the shade Pretty Please. We're just giving you a hot pink situation today. So I used these, and I also used my Sun Stalk'r Bronzer in Shady Biz. I'm gonna go ahead and link some of my favorite Fenty products down below in the description box. If you guys want to check out that sale, I'll just list those recommendations. And as you know, everything that I talked about in this video today is linked down below in my description box. I am, of course, still doing my live streams 3 times a week. That is Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So grab a drink, and I hope I see you all tomorrow, Monday 18th. Cheers till next time. Yeah.